This is Series 1, Episode 50. I'm going to be talking about Quanex Building Products Corporation, ticker symbol NX. Now, this company manufactures aluminium sheets, windows, doors, components for doors, etc. And I know in the States you say aluminum, so for you watching in the States. Let me just show you the website quickly, have a look at the products. It's one of those boring stocks, but I like boring stocks because no one's talking about them. You've got windows, cabinets, vinyl, solar, interesting. So that could be interesting as well for this. Now I've also checked and I can see 350 funds, over 350 funds own this stock. There's been increasing sales for the last 2 quarters and a 500% increase in earnings in the last earnings report. So this looks nice. Now I especially like this stock also because I'm trying to diversify my portfolio away from technology, as I've talked about many times. And I think we're going to see a boom once everything opens up again. Construction should see a boom. So I think getting into these construction type of stocks and landscaping, that sort of stuff, it could be doing quite well. So they've got offices in America and the UK and Germany, so they're diversified around the world, European and America. So let me discuss the technicals on the charts here. What I see is this. I've talked about this in previous videos. I see a basing pattern like this, and I call this a saucepan. To me it looks like a kind of saucepan when you're cooking your food. And if we see a break of the high here along there, then it's often a good way to get in on a stock. Not always, but I'm just explaining. Now what I also always like to see is as we break out of that area there, I want to see high volume. We'll look down here. You can see as it was trying to break out, the volume increased 2 days running. So that's good. That means that other traders are watching this and piling in on the stock. So I really like to see that down there. So what happened? Well, prices come up to the previous high, as it often does, and stops. And you can see it started to drop, but the volumes remained low, indicating people aren't selling. They're not dropping the stock. They're just buying more of it, not huge quantities. So I don't see this being sold off, and it looks like we're trying to break out of this solid basing pattern. And also, if I take some of this off, what you also notice is if I'll try and draw this in. Look, you can see how that was a consolidation period, and again price is broken out of this point and the volume is high. Very, very nice for us to see that. So my trade idea, and as I always say in every single video, if you decide to act upon this information, that's entirely up to you. That's your responsibility. But my trade idea is this. I'd really like to see a price, let me show you. I'd love to see price at 25, about there, because let me just quickly draw this in, because that's a nice safe support area. Because look along here, we've got previous resistance, should act as support on the way back down. 25 would be the ideal entry, 25, but we can't always get the ideal entries. So the trade idea is anything, I'm trying to get in on this, anything below sort of $26, less or equal to 26, and your stop loss is at 21. The take profit is up here at 31. So 31 take profit, 21 stop loss. So there's the trade idea. Ideally 25 entry point, but if we can get it less than 26, then I might be trying to get in on that. Stop at 21 there. There's your stop loss and your take profit 31. There's a trade idea, guys. If you like what I'm doing here in all these videos, please like and subscribe. This is a nice looking stock, and we know where our emergency stop loss is at $21. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll do a video very soon.